Which of the following is a fundamental principle of the 1987 Philippine Constitution? So is it A, the separation of powers? Letter B, the mandatory death penalty? Letter C, the one-party system? And letter D, unlimited terms for officials. Okay, try to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, ano? Ano sa tingin ninyo ang correct answer here? So the answer here is the letter A, the separation of powers. So in the 1987 Constitution, in order for the legislative, the executive, and judiciary be independent of each other para ma-check and balance nila yung powers ng bawat isa, they do have separate responsibilities. Ano po? So, pinakamadaling maalala po dyan, in terms of law, the one who makes laws are, is the legislative department. And we have the one who executes the law is the executive department. So, legislative, nagawa ng batas, executive, nagpapatupad ng batas, and then the one who interprets the law is the judiciary. So, you might wonder, ano yung pagkakaiba ng tatlo? So, the first one, the legislative department, is composed of the Senate and the Congress. The judiciary is composed of the Chief Justice and the 14 Associate Justices. As yung executive naman po natin is composed of the President, the Vice President, and the Cabinet. Ano po?